So physical therapy is always going to promote a healthy lifestyle and active living. So for walking, this is something that we have to do to be functional every day. We can also turn it into aerobic exercise that helps with weight loss management, hypertension, stress relief, all these things that are really helpful to us. It's really important for people to understand that when we start walking, we don't need to walk 2-3 miles right off the get-go. Sometimes just simply walking 1 block or 2 minutes, depending on what you decide, starting with a short duration or a short distance, coming back to the house, resting, see how you feel the next day. As long as you're feeling good the next day, then you can increase that by a block or 2 blocks. But we don't need to increase it by 8 or 10 blocks at one point in time, and we don't need to increase it by 5 to 10 minutes at one point in time. A lot of times I will just have my patients increase their time by 30 seconds or a minute at the max, and their distance is really only going a block further as long as they're feeling well. So this way you can get a gradual progression of your walking, and then over a course of time you can really achieve the goals that you really want.